Well, which one would you rather race? The 4GT No Stripe or the 4GT test car against your C5? You want me to? Okay, that's fine. That I'll race the No Stripe against it. I gotta find it though. Oh no, I have the No Stripe out. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, I got that right. Yeah, I have the O5. How much performance points does you have? Don't lie. Let me get. Oh, I only have mine's 647 or something like that. But mine's a street car. You know, again, I have 0 downforce. You can't add anything to this. Unlike your fucking 100. What is it? Like 100 fucking FPS of down fucking force in yours. Dude, this is gonna be way too much for me right now. I haven't fucking used this in a while. Yeah, dude, 0 downforce. But alright, let's fucking do it. Oh my god. Can't even keep it on the fucking track. I do have. How many horsepower do you got? Like 8 something? Oh, what the fuck? My fucking top speed on it's all fucked up. I'm only going like 190. And I know this beast can do like 240. Yeah, this is the No Stripe, bro. It's a fast one. It's the fastest street 4GT, but dude, second gear, like, couldn't even grip at all. I had to switch to third.
You fucking mind.
Oh my god, dude. Straight to wall. Like, no fucking. I need to warm up my tires as soon as possible. Oh, I just watched you wipe out. Don't be fucking rage. Oh no! Fuck. Fucking flew right there, bro. My car, like, took off the ground. Nah, fuck that, dude. What? Why? Cause you get beat this bad in a fucking streetcar again? Fuck that. I finished that last race, dude. I crashed like 3 or 4 times. What? Yeah, but still, it's a streetcar, bro. 0 downforce on real grip, on real grip. I'm going real grip, real settings right now, and I'm beating you on a. Bro, I'm pushing 900 and like 3 horsepower, dude. Like, do you know what that does to no fucking downforce? It's like literally driving on ice, bro. Like, I'm fucking. Just wait till you watch the video. You'll see what I'm fucking having to battle. My gears, My fucking braking. It's like every time I fuck, see like that. Anytime I fucking give it a little bit of gas, it's over. It's gone. Can't even go on the fucking corners. My tires are just not getting warmed up. What, you can't handle a little equal racing right now, Smoke? Is that what I'm hearing? How is it not? You have a racing car! Alright, I will fucking pull out a fucking racing car. I will race, okay? Since, you know, this is uneven. I have a street car against a race car, but I have the advantage over you. Dude, I can't even fucking brake with this, bro. Like, it's a brick right now. Like, every time I give it gas, dude, it just fucking stops. It just goes straight, no turn whatsoever. I mean, you're still not gonna catch up. I could wait for you on the straight, and I would smoke you on that, because that's the only thing this car has, the pickup. The fucking 0 to 60, like fucking 2.3 seconds. It's nuts. But other than that, I have no turn. It's like, it feels like I'm turning a fucking building, dude. I'm basically drifting half of the time, to be honest with you. Like, this fucking chicane is gonna kill me. But this is what I built it for, this part, so it should be okay. I should beat you by at least 30 seconds. Oh my god, I can't keep this fucking ass. Like, my front is so stiff, dude. And my back is just loose. I know that sounds weird as shit, but it's true. Like, oh my god, I cannot fucking keep it on the road, dude. Oh, dude, I fucked up my left tire. Bro, you ought to see this. Like, wait till you see this shit. It's like, I turn, but he doesn't. It's like, nah, fuck you, we're going straight. Oh my god, yeah, dude. I gotta. I don't know what it is. It's the setting I think I have the setting for Mazda Laguna Seca. I mean. Fuck that, I'm beating you, but I'm way more than 11 seconds. Don't be quitting now. It's not even that banged up. I hit the left front, it's a little damaged. I'm already tacking out, like, it's fucking retarded. As soon as I left the fucking first banner, you know where we line up to drag race up the hill, I was already tacking out at 194. I would be hitting probably 230 right now if I had the right training on it. Bro, like it burns out in third gear. Like I'll be cornering, and it just fucking tacks out right away. How many seconds, Smokey? Come on. You're not even gonna be able to finish over 30 seconds. 20 seconds? What? 20 seconds. Fuck that. 20 seconds, bro. You got beat. It's a 4GT against a Corvette C5R, bro. No, I got 9. I got like 857, 9 something. I forget. I gotta look at it real quick. Yeah, we can do it again. Hold on.